All right, we got a beautiful day here in Cleveland. It is awesome today, and I got a little unboxing. We got this jet pressure washer thing from Amazon, of course. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not sponsored by these people or any of these things. I've never been sponsored on my channel, just in case you were curious. And if you've been following along on the channel, you've known that I had a little bit of a plumbing issue where the pipes got a little clogged. So I wanted to get this jet that you hook up to your pressure washer and see how it goes. And I bought the kit that comes with a 150-foot length hose, and we're going to run it through because there's still a little bit of a gurgling sound, and I'm also going to do a test on the outside so we can see how this thing works. So here we go. All right, so far so good. This is the meat and potatoes of everything, and it comes with, we'll open that up and take a look. So I guess this is the bulk. So there's that hose, and that hose is really important because it comes with this size of a connection, and otherwise, if you try to just connect it to your pressure washer, it will only connect, or it can't connect like to the regular hose outlet to your house. It's a different size. So this is a, I think that's a 1/4-inch hose, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, I'll leave a correction in the comments or the description. Here's what we got going. It comes with a couple of wrenches. Looks like 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 17 and 14. So that's probably how they tighten them. Comes with some stainless steel pins, probably because it has these little teeny tiny holes. And I'll try to get there as much as possible so you can see that. Now, can you see that little hole in there? It's right there. And then if you rotate it, it has another hole, and then another hole, and so on. And then there's the part that actually goes in the front. So it provides kind of like some backwards or outwards pressure and then some frontwards pressure. This one seems to spin, and it has holes on the back of it here. So maybe that's kind of like just a push if you have to go through some stuff, you know. So you got different, these the same? Those look pretty similar. Those look pretty similar except for maybe the design on the head part of it. But they all have holes on the top, and then they also all have the kind of like backwards facing jet ones. And then this is a universal connector that can probably just go right to your pressure washer, which is what we're going to do. And then these, which depending on which head that you want, they will connect to the male portion of the hose. So like that, right? All right. So, and then the other side of the hose, I don't think it really matters too much, but maybe that side, that will go on that side of the hose, and then that connects to the pressure washer. So then we also comes with some Teflon tape. So let's put this together real quick. All right, so let's test this. Okay. Good. Okay, off! All right, let's see how far that is. You want to go ahead and measure it?
I need to hold the end of it.
Yeah. All right, so this is where I think we are. Here's the 2-inch pipe up there, and it goes this way for, I don't know, 17 feet. There's the first little area where it had just a little bit of resistance, those two bends right there, and where it merges with kind of a T, and it flows down. Here comes another intersection that wasn't too bad. And then it flows down, another intersection that also wasn't bad, and another one, and another one. And then it goes from the finished basement through, or the unfinished basement, the mechanical room, to the finished basement, all the way to right about there. And back there is that far wall where we started. So from there, it goes over and then through into the waste stack. So I think that that is the, I can hear it right up there, and there's a bend. You probably can't hear that on the phone, but I can hear that on the video anyway. So I think that's it. I think we've cleared it out.